The best Cubano sandwich ever.
Saboroso.
Very nice.
And there is nothing better than a beautiful handmade Cubano. Y eso va a estar sabrosísimo. Cubano, Medianoche. And that's it. And don't forget, of course, to subscribe to this channel and like and comment. The story of the Cubano sandwich started in the blasting cafe of Cuba in the 1800s. As decades passes, of course, this economic dish for worker became an iconic dish of American and Cuban cuisine. Cuban sandwich is the evolution of the ham and cheese sandwich, of course, with a touch. There is a similar sandwich called Medianoche. How the name say, late night snack born in the Cuban clubs. Cubano, Medianoche. And what it's all about? You know, beautiful pork shoulder marinated, roasted, and pulled in this case. Beautiful bread, we will use our own brioche bread, but you can use the Cuban bread that is nothing else that kind of soft baguette. Yellow mustard, dill pickles, beautiful smoked ham, that's it.
Esto va a estar de pinga. Very nice.
De pinga.
Very nice.
Don't forget to comment if you wanna see a specific recipe, we will do it for you, of course. And in this video, we will prepare our mojo or marination, our pulled pork, the secrets about the bread, the two different Cubano and the Medianoche version. For the rest, please comment this video or find the rest of the information in bio. For our sandwich Cubano, we do the version of pulled pork and we will use pork shoulder, pork shoulder in this case around 7-8 kilo, again beautiful combination of fat and meat. Celery stick, let's say one bunch. 3 carrots, medium size, 2 white onion, a juice of 4 orange, 2 lime, 2 teaspoons of Mexican oregano, and our secret, a magic homemade mix of spices. And what it is in our secret, a little bit of smoked paprika, onion powder, cumin, salt, pepper, and a secret ingredient. And make it nice.
Saberosito mamacita.
First, we cut the vegetables, which is onion, carrots, and celery. Is it okay like this? First, we marinate our pork shoulder with salt, pepper, oregano, and magic spice, and orange juice and lime juice.
Next, we chop the vegetable roughly, then we put in the grill. That's it.
No.
Next, we chop the vegetable roughly, then we grill it, then remove the vegetable, put on the tray, add some beef stock and keep it at the side.
After that, we take our beautiful pork shoulder, we sear it, we put on the tray with the vegetable, we cover everything, and this going in the oven.
13 hours and 90 degrees. That's it.
And that's it.
And that's it.
And that's it. Unbelievable bread. And after remove it from the heat, ready to be pulled apart, and we will build our Cubano. Unbelievable. About the bread, you use Cuban bread, really soft, but on the panini Wake up, Luca! About the bread, of course, for the Cuban sandwich is required the Cuban bread, a soft, quite soft baguette with a little bit of crunchy skin that on the plancha will crisp it up. Or you use a brioche bread. This is handmade by us in our bakery. It's a beautiful one, super small size, what they call a Medianoche sandwich. Beautiful bread for the beautiful Cuban sandwich. And the most important tools of today is our panini plancha. Really extremely necessary. Otherwise, you cannot get the right Cuban sandwich. What are the ingredients to assembling this beautiful, iconic sandwich? First of all, our beautiful pork we pulled already, ready to go.
Homemade pickles.
Swiss cheese, pork ham,
And of course, we slice it. Yellow mustard.
Butter. And the bread.
Italian French baguette or the brioche panini. And that's it.
and that's it.
And that's it. Time to assembling our Cubano. We will do the Cubano and we will do the Medianoche. Same style. That means we start with the bread, spread of yellow mustard, pulled pork on top, smoked ham, layer of Swiss cheese, finish up with homemade pickle, and we cover again with the bread. We spread the bread with butter and go into the plancha. Remember that for your Cubano on the plancha or grill, try to manage nice the temperature. The question is, the bread need to crisp it up but not burn, and the cheese need to melt. That's the secret. Y eso va a estar sabrosito. And look at that. Melted cheese, crispy skin, ready to be cut and tested. Unbelievable.
Saboroso.
And that is what we want. You see that? Melted cheese, crispy bread, diagonal cut for our baby, and look at that. Eso va a estar sabrosito. The best Cubano ever. And time to test this beauty. Unbelievable Cubano sandwich. Guys, there is nothing better than this.
So, here it is, pulled pork.
I wanna see the pulled pork. No, you're in.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I don't care.
Pickle.
Homemade pickle.
Homemade pickle.
No, start again. Go.
Made pickle.
Homemade.
Homemade. Homemade. Homemade.
Homemade.
Pulled pork.
No, I don't wanna see your end. I wanna see the pulled pork. Hey.
Pulled pork.
No, start again. The fuck. Start again. Don't move. Stay there and say pulled pork. Go homemade pulled pork.
Homemade pulled pork. $13 and 90 degrees. That's it.
And that's it.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Very nice.